Welcome, everybody, to today's ACCA webcast, ACCA Financial and Operating Performance Survey. Today, we have Matt Chaffin of Industry Insights with us, here to explain what the survey is, how the data is being collected, how the data is being used, and what you need to do to complete your survey. If at any time you have any questions about the survey, feel free to email membership@acca.org. So let's go ahead and get started. Matt, why don't you go ahead and tell everybody a little bit about yourself and jump right in.
Thank you very much. Hello, my name is Matt Chaffin. I'm a project director with Industry Insights. Our firm conducts the ACCA Financial and Operating Performance Survey on behalf of ACCA. We're excited to have the opportunity today to talk to you about what the survey is, a little bit about the study and what we'll be talking about. The primary objective that I'd like to achieve is to help you become familiar with the survey and understand its value. I'll touch on some of the key components of the survey process, including the participation formats and what you'll need. And finally, I'll share with you a little bit about what you can expect to receive as a participating ACCA member. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The ACCA Financial and Operating Survey is an all-new member benefit designed to provide valuable, accurate, and up-to-date information to assist contractors in operating more effectively and growing their operations. For an industry where companies have access to very little data, this initiative aims to be a key source of hands-on information and insights that allow ACCA members to compare their businesses with similar contractors on a national scale. This information will be a critical component in gauging the operational strengths and weaknesses while also assisting in identifying potential improvement opportunities. The primary goal of this initiative is to help you better assess your performance. Now, before we dive into the survey itself, I'd just like to give you a bit of a background on Industry Insights. We are an independent research and analytics firm based in Columbus, Ohio. With a dedicated group of CPA statisticians and IT professionals, we've been able to successfully and exclusively serve the association community since 1980. Also, survey research is our core business. Some accounting, consulting, or IT firms will do this type of research as an offshoot, but our experience has found that these studies are often lacking. We are an objective third party. In this role, maintaining confidentiality is a critical aspect. We do process over 100,000 confidential surveys each year that contain highly sensitive information. Therefore, it's critical that we maintain confidentiality. Our firm has extensive safeguards in place to ensure complete confidentiality for all respondents. No one outside of a select few Industry Insights associates will ever have access to your data. A quick overview of our process starts with assigning a confidential code number to each submission, which will be used as a company identifier. All data are then coded and entered into a proprietary system. And finally, only aggregate data comparisons are made in the final industry-wide report. Now, I'd like to just give you a quick overview of the survey process. The questionnaire is somewhat of an abridged version when compared to traditional financial-related surveys. One of the goals was to develop a form that would require only minimal time and effort on your part, while still having the ability to provide you with meaningful data that covers a wide range of operations-related topics. The survey focuses primarily on staffing, marketing, services, and financial information. The form is available online through the ACCA research portal, which essentially acts as the main hub for the ACCA survey and eventual results. The site features a save and return function, so what this allows you to do is to complete the form at your convenience. There are additional user-friendly options built in to the interactive survey, which are designed to assist you in key areas. We understand that your schedules are busy and time is valuable, and therefore it's critical to have a streamlined process for completing the survey. We also like to provide multiple ways to participate, so you can find a format that works best for you. Additional offline survey options are available, which I'll cover a little more shortly. Now, to access the site, first-time users will need to register a new account. Please keep in mind that for confidentiality purposes, your credentials for this site will not be matched with your ACCA member site credentials. Once you've registered an account, you'll be able to save your form, exit, and return at any time up until the final survey deadline. Also, if you forget your login information, simply use the account recovery tool located on the login page. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address, and once entered, you'll receive an immediate response with instructions for accessing your account. Now, once you've successfully registered an account and logged onto the site, you'll be directed to the survey homepage. This page will act as the main directory for the site. From here, you'll notice that there are links to each section, as well as a table of contents, which allows you to view progress and navigate the online survey. Also included are detailed instructions for completing the form, contact information if you have any questions, and links to download the offline surveys. Now, in the interest of time, I won't go too much into detail regarding all the features, though I would like to touch on some of the key administrative tools. Primarily, I'd like to point out the Authorized Users page. To access this tool, just click the Authorized Users link located at the top right-hand side of the page. And this will take you to the Organization Administrative page. This is a valuable feature in that it allows you to add users to your accounts. So if you'd like to delegate tasks of completing the form, it allows you to easily do this and manage access levels for those that you'd like to authorize. As an example, if you'd like to delegate, for instance, the employees section of the survey, you're able to authorize the appropriate personnel to access your account and complete this section of the form. To add a user, just type the email address of the appropriate staff and an email will be issued with further instructions. The system is designed to give you full control of who is permitted to view the survey and the level of access that they should have. Now that we've covered just a few of the basics of getting your account properly set up, I'd like to go over how to get started on the survey and some of the added features that are built in. To start the survey, navigate to the table of contents located on the survey homepage. Each section is categorized by relevance, and you can access each page using the linked text within the table of contents. And as I previously mentioned, once you start the survey, you are able to save your progress and exit the form at any time. Survey navigation is designed to be simple, and you're able to do so effectively in one of two ways. The online survey features a main navigation bar at the top of the page and forward and back arrows at the bottom. An important note, please, if you're exiting the form, just be sure to click Save at the bottom or any of the arrows prior to exiting. After you've completed each section, please be sure to check the box at the bottom of the page. By checking this option, you're indicating that a given survey section is complete. As a note, this is for our internal tracking purposes, and you will have the ability to return to the form at any time to modify your survey. Now, you're able to check the status of your survey throughout by referencing the table of contents located on the survey's homepage. From here, you're easily able to monitor your progress. Each section will be marked with a status of complete or incomplete. Once all sections show a status of complete, the button labeled Submit will activate. At this point, just simply click the Submit button and your completed survey will be transmitted directly to Industry Insight's secure server. Now, for those that prefer to participate offline, we do have other options available. We understand that the online version of the survey may not be a preferred method for all. Therefore, we do offer an Excel and PDF version of the form. The offline surveys can be downloaded directly through the survey homepage or through the ACCA Research Portal login page. As a note, the Excel survey will contain formulas as well as built-in features designed to assist you in completing the survey. Now that we've covered how to use the online system, you might want to know what you'll need in order to participate. As I mentioned, the survey is a streamlined version, and a large portion can be completed using your financial statements. Primarily, you'll need your income statement and balance sheet for the year ended closest to December 31st, 2017. Another important note, if you're unable to complete every question, it's okay, though we strongly encourage you to complete as much as you can. The more information you're able to provide, the more insights you'll receive back. We do also have a dedicated team assigned to this project to assist you with any questions you may have during the reporting process. So our lines are always open, so please feel free to contact us if there's anything we can do to help. Now, what will you receive for participating? ACCA members who participated will receive 2 complimentary reports, the first of which is a full industry-wide report. Essentially, this is a PDF that consists of aggregated financial information, both table and graphical formats, and provides invaluable information on how to best utilize the results. The report will also feature comparative financial ratios and statistics grouped by all participating companies, geographic region, total sales ranges, and other key profile-related segmentations. The report is organized in a way that allows for what I consider to be a very efficient and effective way to review the results. However, because the industry-wide PDF will contain the complete results for the study, I can certainly understand how some of you may find the report a bit overwhelming due to the amount of data results provided. However, the first step is to determine which segment applies to your company and primarily focus on those results. This actually brings us to the second report option, which is the personalized company performance report. And this report does exactly that. So essentially what this is a customized confidential PDF report that compares your results alongside industry comparisons that are most applicable to your firm. This report also contains a static report card, which helps to expedite the process in evaluating your firm's performance. And the report card essentially grades each company on key ratios using quartiles as benchmarks and focuses on key operating ratios. The goal is to quickly provide actionable feedback on the successes or improvement areas. Now, I would like to address just a few commonly asked questions that we receive about the survey process. The first question relates to completing the financial section of the survey. If you are unsure or uncomfortable with completing this component, Industry Insights will transfer your financial information for you. And what I mean by this is you could simply forward your financial statements to us, and an Industry Insights CPA or analyst will complete the financial component of the questionnaire for you to the extent possible. Please note that this is a limited availability option, so please contact us if you have any questions or for more information. Now, the second question is how do I submit a completed Excel or PDF survey? To submit an offline survey, please email or mail your forms directly to Industry Insights. The downloadable forms also contain additional instructions. And finally, can I change my responses after I submit my survey? The answer is yes. You can modify your responses and resubmit the survey at any point up until the final survey deadline. As you're considering participating in this year's study, please remember that the benchmarking study is designed to help you focus on your business. The research will provide an invaluable information that can help you analyze your company, identify key trends, and help you to strategically plan for the future. The information you'll be provided will allow you to better understand how your performance compares against peers in your industry. Just another note, a small investment of time will provide significant dividends. And the more participation we can get, the better the results will be. Now, we always like to stress that you do not need to be a financial expert to benefit from this information. Even relatively simple analysis can yield significant insights into business improvement opportunities. Now, if you have any questions at all, I've included my contact information. I'm happy to help. You complete your form, or if you have any questions about the process in general, please don't hesitate to reach me. Thank you again for your time.
Thanks, Matt, and thanks everybody for participating today. If you have any questions, either email Matt at his contact information on this last slide or email membership@acca.org. ACCA is your association, and we're here to help you improve your business and be stronger. Thanks again, everybody. Have a wonderful day.